Hey everyone, welcome back to ByAmbition. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a header and footer in Microsoft Word. Headers and footers are great for adding page numbers, titles, or your name to every page. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Word document where you want to add a header and footer, which I have right here as an example. Step 2. At the top of the screen, click the Insert tab. Step 3. Click Header, then choose one of the built-in header styles. Step 4. Click Footer, then choose a footer style you like. Step 5. Click inside the header or footer area and type in your text, such as a title, name, or date. Step 6. When finished, click Close Header and Footer or double-click back into the Word document. And that's how you insert a header or footer in Microsoft Word. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to ByAmbition, and I'll see you in the next one.